Hi and welcome back to Nature's Abundant Garden. Today, we're diving deeper into the herbaceous layer of a permaculture food forest and looking at some specific examples of plants that might be found in this layer. The herbaceous layer is made up of low-growing, perennial plants that provide a range of benefits to the ecosystem. These plants grow close to the ground and often have deep root systems that help to loosen and aerate the soil, fixing nitrogen and making it more fertile. They may also attract beneficial insects, provide food and medicine for humans and animals, and help to control erosion. Some specific examples of plants that might be found in the herbaceous layer of a permaculture food forest include clover. This low-growing, nitrogen-fixing plant is often used as a ground cover in permaculture gardens. It has small white or pink flowers and is commonly used as a forage crop for livestock. Comfrey. This perennial herb has large, hairy leaves and clusters of small bell-shaped flowers. It is known for its ability to heal wounds and is often used as a natural fertilizer due to its high nutrient content. Chamomile. This plant has small, white or yellow daisy-like flowers and is known for its calming properties. It is often used as a tea to aid in digestion or to help with sleep. Nettles. This plant has small, green leaves and tiny green flowers, and is known for its medicinal properties. It is often used to treat allergies and can also be used as a natural fertilizer due to its high nutrient content. Sorrel. This perennial herb has large, green, heart-shaped leaves and small, yellow flowers. It has a tangy, citrusy flavor and is often used in salads or as a garnish for soups and stews. Oregano. This perennial herb has small, green leaves and small, white flowers. It has a strong, pungent flavor and is often used in Italian and Greek dishes. Salad greens. Many types of salad greens, such as lettuce, arugula, and spinach, grow close to the ground and could be included in the herbaceous layer. These plants provide fresh, nutritious greens that can be used in salads and a variety of other dishes. These are just a few examples of the many plants that might be found in the herbaceous layer of a permaculture food forest. As you can see, these plants provide a range of benefits, including improving soil health, attracting beneficial insects, and providing food and medicine for humans and animals. Thanks for joining us today as we explore the herbaceous layer of a permaculture food forest. We hope you found this information useful. Like and subscribe for more gardening tips and techniques.